Here I have Oppo AX7 and let me show you how to reset the browser on the following device. So at the very beginning, go to your browser, in my case it's Chrome, and here tap on More icon, the three dots icon in upper corner. Now from the list select History. And here you can either delete some particular pages, just tap on the cross icon, and now they are deleted. Or you can clear all browsing data, just tap on Clear Browsing Data, confirm it, so it will delete all browsing history, cookies and cached images and files. So just tap on Clear Data, and if you would like to leave something, for example cookies, just unclick its icon. I will delete all of them, and you can also select the period of time from which your data should be deleted. I will select all time, so since always. And now just tap on Clear Data. And that's it. Since now your history is empty and you have any cookies saved on your device, on your Chrome browser. Thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.